Alkaline water is a new kind of designer water hitting the shelves. Marketed as a less acidic version of regular water, it's claimed to have many health benefits. But does alkaline water deserve the hype? That's what I'm looking at in this video. Simply put, alkaline water has a slightly higher pH than regular tap water. As a refresher, pH value measures acidity on a scale of 0 to 14, with 0 being completely acidic and 14 being completely alkaline. 7 is considered neutral. Now, alkaline water has a pH greater than 7, with some brands advertising a pH of 8, 9, or even higher. Okay, so the question you might be wondering is, does the pH of water even matter? To answer that, we have to answer a much larger question. How does your diet affect the acid-alkaline balance of your body? When people talk about food impacting the pH of your body, they're generally talking about the pH of your blood, but your body tightly regulates the pH of your blood through your lungs and kidneys. It's the reason urine pH can change dramatically. It's helping to keep blood pH the same. Whenever there's too much acid in your blood, your body gets rid of it through breathing and urination. So while your diet does change the pH of your blood in the short term, most scientists say it's not a lasting change. With that in mind, let's look at the common health benefits. True or false? One claim is that alkaline water is more hydrating than regular water. A small study in 2010 had 38 young healthy adults drink either alkaline water with a pH of 10 or regular water for 4 weeks. Researchers reported that those who drank the alkaline water had more alkaline blood and urine and were more hydrated than those who drank regular water. So in this graph we can see the 2-week treatment period. The white circles are results from the alkaline water group and the black squares are the placebo group drinking normal water. Now at 3 points there out of 6 tests, the alkaline group had significantly lower blood pH than the placebo group. Now it sounds impressive, but this is a truncated y-axis. That means the lowest levels shown on the graph is 7.44 and the highest is 7.70. So the difference between the groups is only about 0.10. So instead of blood pH being 7.68, it's 7.58. Now whether that is clinically relevant is another question, as we know blood pH varies slightly between people anyways. Plus, even 7.58 is a bit high, so I'm not sure what's going on here. It's an interesting finding, but the results were a bit strange, and the magnitude of difference between the groups was so small that it probably wouldn't make any difference to your health anyway. Additionally, the study was very small and short in duration, and it's certainly a trial that needs to be repeated. There's also an idea going around that having elevated acid levels over time weakens bones by drawing calcium out of them, and therefore alkaline water could help with that. There's been quite a bit of research in this area, albeit with mixed results. For example, a 2010 study showed that among women over 75, those with a lower acid load from their diet and higher potassium intake had higher bone density. That study looked at the acid-base balance of the participants' overall diet, not alkaline water, but it did suggest a benefit for that population, which is at high risk of osteoporosis. Another study had 30 young women eat similar diets and drink either bicarbonate-rich alkaline mineral water or non-alkaline mineral water for 4 weeks. Now those who drank the alkaline water had lower markers of bone loss than the other group. Now while these small studies suggest that alkaline water intake might improve markers of bone health, a large study says otherwise. Researchers looked at data from 6,800 people and found no significant link between urine acidity and bone fractures or density. They concluded that the acidity of urine, which could possibly be lowered with alkaline water, didn't predict the risk of osteoporosis. So the evidence is very mixed and contradictory here, which means we can't really make any absolute statements. Now, if you suffer from acid reflux, alkaline water may help. Researchers tested alkaline water with a pH of 8.8 and found it inactivated pepsin, a digestive enzyme that is one of the main culprits in gastroesophageal reflux disease, or GERD. So drinking alkaline water could have a similar effect as taking an antacid, at least theoretically. The last claim I want to look at is that it helps you burn fat. The theory behind this claim is that your body uses fat cells to defend itself from acid. By drinking alkaline water, your body no longer needs protection from fat cells and you'll shed them. It's a compelling theory, I guess, but there's only one study that comes close to addressing it. The study was conducted in mice that were given high-fat diets. One group was given alkaline water and the other was given tap water. The alkaline water group gained significantly less weight than the tap water group. Now, while it's exciting to see the possible effects of alkaline water in mice, much more research is needed to say whether it could truly help humans lose weight. Is alkaline water safe? Alkaline water is generally considered safe, but it may not be wise to make it your main water choice. Drinking it throughout the day, every day, would be the same as chomping on antacids all day. It could have a negative effect on your stomach acid, and that could cause digestive problems down the track. But the biggest downside is how expensive it is compared to regular water, and the current evidence indicates that it's not worth it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative, and don't forget to subscribe to the Authority Nutrition YouTube channel by clicking the red subscribe button below this video.